If you've ever wished you could play UFC Undisputed 3 on your PC in smooth, high-quality performance, good news. Yeah, it's totally possible and surprisingly easy. In this video, I'll walk you through a foolproof, step-by-step guide to get UFC Undisputed 3 running on your Windows computer using the Xenia emulator. No complicated setups, no tech headaches, just follow along and you'll be playing in minutes. Alright, let's jump right in. The key to making UFC Undisputed 3 work on PC is Xenia, one of the most stable and user-friendly Xbox 360 emulators out there. It's free, lightweight, and supports a massive library of titles, including UFC Undisputed 3. First, you'll need to download Xenia. Head over to its official website and grab the latest build that matches your system. Once it's downloaded, extract the folder anywhere you like, your desktop, documents, or even a separate drive. There's no installation wizard or complicated setup. Xenia runs directly from that folder. Next, you'll need your game file. This is important. You must create an ISO backup from a game disk you already own. Downloading games you don't own is illegal in most regions, so stick to legitimate backups. Insert your UFC Undisputed disk into your PC's drive. Then use any disk ripping software. Gburn is a popular option to create an ISO file. Save it somewhere easy to find. Once your ISO is ready, launch Xenia. The interface is super simple. Go to File, then open and select the UFC Undisputed 3 ISO you just created. Within seconds, the game should boot up. From here, you can begin tweaking performance. Xenia allows you to adjust resolution, VSync, controllers, and more. Plug in an Xbox or PlayStation controllers for the best experience. If the game stutters, try lowering the resolution or disabling unnecessary features. Most mid-range PCs can handle this game well with the right tweaks. And that's it. Once configured, Xenia will remember your settings so you can jump back into UFC action anytime. So that's the easiest way to play UFC Undisputed 3 on your PC. No complicated installs, no risky downloads, just a clean and simple setup. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more emulator or gaming setup tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy dominating the octagon on PC.